Hello, this review is for the Abuler multifunction blender. The model is BL311B. So it comes in a cardboard box here. Let's open it up and see what we have. So right on top of the box, you have a recipe book with 38 different types of recipes that you can make with this blender. So that's pretty cool. Gives you options on things to make. It also comes with a user manual, which shows setup, troubleshooting, all of that fun stuff. And then within the case, we have two different types of canisters right here, a small one and a large one. And then it also has a blender top here, which has six different blades on it. So you can cut up a bunch of different items within the blender. It also comes with two lids, like a pop top protein shake lid. And with the lid inside, which I just pulled out, there's actually a rubber gasket. And what's good about it is A, you can pull it out to clean it, and B, you can pop it right back in like that and screw it right on the top of the bottle, take it with you on the go. So there's two of those cases. Let's see what else we got in here. There's a very small blender, which looks to be about like maybe an 8-ounce blender, and that has a different top on it. That's a smaller slicing top. Let's see. We have 3 different types of tops. So that one's got small perforations in it. This one has bigger perforations, and this one's a solid top, so no holes in it. And then there's another thing packed in cardboard, which I'm assuming is the bottom. Yeah, that's the base of the blender. And that's all wrapped real nicely as well. It's brushed stainless steel on the outside, so that's super nice. It has a cord, 2-prong cord. And the base, which is actually really nice, there's these little like rubberized footings. So when you put it down, it's steady and it's not going to shift around. You hear it pop up. That's it suctioning to the countertop so it doesn't move. There's 2 settings, I'm sorry. Power 0, which is off, 1 and 2, so slow and fast. Another cool thing, and it's off, so I'm going to do this unless it would turn on, but there's a little safety feature, so you have to push in and turn, and it'll lock the canister in. So if you just push in, nothing's going to happen. You have to push in and turn, and then you can control the blender. I believe that's it. Oh, and then there's a little plastic brush here, plastic wrap, but that's pretty cool. It has 3 different fittings on it, so like you can get in here and clean all the different blades and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. So like I said, all that's here, there's 3 different containers, 2 different types of chopping lids, 2 of these pop top like protein shake lids, and then there's 3 different of these lids. And everything's really well explained within the user manual, so you won't have an issue figuring out the perfect application for what you need. So hope you enjoy it. Have a good day.